Well, hello everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are in my outdoor living space, the grill area. This video is sponsored by Garvee. We are adding a new addition to my grill area. Garvey was so kind to send over a 48 by 24 inch stainless steel table. It's commercial heavy duty folding work table with under shelf, ideal for kitchen, laundry, your garage, and an outdoor or grill cooking area. This is how it comes packaged or shipped to you in the box. This is industrial grade stability, thickened 1.5 inch steel legs and non-slip feet keep the table rock solid, even under heavy cutting or pounding, no wobbling during meal prep. Very easy to set up in no time at all. And folds up in seconds. This stainless steel table came with a protective wrap on top that must be peeled away prior to use. It also has an adjustable height and shelf. Raise and lower the galvanized steel shelf to fit bulky mixers or tall containers. You can adjust the legs for standing or sitting work. This table came with a few marks on it, but we used WD-40 to remove the marks. So right now, my hubby and my grandson, they're prepping the grill area so we can place our stainless steel table. For some reason, water and dirt settles in the corner of our screened in area, so they're giving it a cleaning. And while they are doing that, I am in the kitchen making a delicious and refreshing pasta salad. In this salad, you can include any ingredient that you want. I am adding cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion. I'm also adding cheese and ham. I've already cooked my tricolor pasta and added it to the bowl. So I'm going to add these ingredients or these veggies to the pasta. I also took an Italian seasoning pack and added some olive oil and mixed well to pour on this salad. Sprinkle in some sharp cheddar shredded cheese. And lastly, sprinkle in for seasoning salad supreme, and you will have a delicious salad that can stand alone as a meal or as a side for a meal, or what I love to do, eat it as a snack. My hubby and my grandson, they're preparing to cook on the grill. They're cooking grilled chicken. And they have to look the part, right? We are bringing in the stainless steel table. And guys, it is perfect for our grill area. I am looking forward to using this table to prep many of our meals in this space. And what I'm using it for today is to hold our food or our dinner for this evening. Let me share with you our menu for this evening's dinner. I am setting up our drink station where we have lemonade or raspberry tea. I am bringing out some fruit on a tray, our pasta salad, some green beans, and the grilled chicken that my hubby and my grandson prepared. This food did not last in the Davis household. It was so good. I absolutely love this stainless steel table. It resists grease, chemicals, and it can be used in your food trucks, your garages, for your home DIY projects, and of course what I'm using it for, an outdoor cooking area. It is so versatile. Elevate your area with this commercial grade stainless steel folding table designed for durability and functionality. Thank you, Garvee, for the opportunity to share this product with my blessed family. Blessed family, head over to Garvee. I will have their website, this product link, and a discount code waiting in my description box below. As this video comes to a close, hubby is folding the table so we can store it easily when it's not in use. This is ideal for spaces with limited storage. Hubby had a time with the second leg of this table, but he finally got it to collapse. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. And I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.